Council of Teachers Association Kota says government is insincere in implementing School Bhagat Hansi mission. And negligence by authorities concerned turns Kujairok river banks under More subdivision in Tenopal district into dumping sites. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. So watching Afternoon News, and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Council of Teachers Association Kota has lambasted the government of failing to implement School Bhagat Hansi mission in a sincere manner. Kota, along with various teachers associations, staged a sit-in demanding rectification of revision of pay ROP 2019 at ZEO Wangoy office campus today. Speaking to media, Kota co-convener Dr. L. Ritendro said School Bhagat Hansi mission will not be successful without the participation of teachers. He condemned the government for failing to address their concern, which forced them to launch protests instead of executing their duties. Dr. L. Ritendro warned the government of intense agitation by the teachers if their demands are not met.
Praja mayam dadi school phagalan si education si yaudra sakar si karimta chalaibanga moi tungi future karimta leite hairaga su ngasi praja mayam da namthak tawbi oja sing dadi sudat piri ana school phagalan si haidana government gi lairiba machinery mayam sina di sangaraga school kha khanbiramaga maru yaudaba matung yaudaba amadi madugi structure leitaba oja sing gi support yaudra di school phagalan si haibase masi kota gi site gi ariambani maramaduna oja sing busu akoi gi phagalan biu oja sing busu tungi yumboren mayam nation builder oibada achoba thawang yauri haibase masi government gi site thamjage maramaduna athuba matamda 2019 gi ROPSC rectification to biduna AGP haiba system aji muthat piraga grade pay da onthok pibase masi matam yam changhan da bida oja singbu harauna nungaina amadi tungi future gi leiriba satrana haron singje sangatpada achouba akoi gi thawdang adu yahanabagi damakta oja singi demand ase pithok
Kujairok river banks under More subdivision in Tenopal district have turned into dumping sites due to negligence by the authorities concerned. Impact News found plastic and food waste piling up at the river banks. The highly contaminated river water has also turned black in some areas. Various organizations and relevant authorities has cleansed the river previous year. However, people continue to pollute the river. Community leaders of More have urged the government to take measures to save the river at the earliest before it becomes unfit for use.
Stand by. 3, 2, 1,
Newly revived Amokok's General Secretary Muhammad Abdul Qayyum alleged SM Jalal of creating disharmony and maligning Amokok. He met the allegations during a press meet held at Amokok office in Lilong Hauraibi in the presence of Amokok President Muhammad Ibosina and Central Committee members. Muhammad Abdul Qayyum further alleged SM Jalal of taking advantage of his position as Amokok president for personal gains. He said SM Jalal continued holding on to his position even after expiry of his term and even halted activities of the committee. He said Amokok has been finally revived in consultation with the Central Committee leaders. The General Secretary said the committee strongly condemned self-proclaimed President SM Jalal for kidnapping executive members of the committee, including its president. He warned SM Jalal to bear responsibility for any unwanted incidents over such incidents. Muhammad Abdul Qayyum said the committee will submit a 14-point memorandum to the Chief Minister demanding welfare measures for the Maitai Pangal community.
Lakriba lupa lak amani gi sefam dugi audit tawdana hariba jalan si Delhi de satkraba matung sida Lilong Hauraibi college sida senja thumja tawba sida senabada organization gi maraktagi karigumba yorumba taragadi aikogi organization gi president sin lakbaga action logani aina press media da lauthugi damakta ai isamak jauna president na kanagumba central committee advisor singe aba yaudana mana magi power ni hair kanda lauthuga leire aikogi president pharaga amadi executive sing pharaga hu seiba aikoi da yaure aikogi amuku ke executive sing central committee ki leader sing advisor sing sympathizer sing da karigumba phatanung da karigumba thorok pataragadi amukok ni haijariba zalan amadi rais amadi magi khungloi singi mathakta sapsana action lobuga loina na mkhoi gi mathakta Manipur sarkar da ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯏꯕ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯁꯜꯂꯒꯅꯤ.
MSU, in a press release, strongly condemned the Class 11 examination question papers leakage. The student union urged to form a special team to investigate the matter and called for rescheduling of the examination. A combined team of NAB, Technopal District Police and 8 Manipur Rifles has destroyed illegal poppy plantation at Gomi Hill Ranges in Technopal District. The team, including Mori Police Additional SP Operation Inspector Riaz and Machi Police OC, led by NAB SP W Basu and Technopal District SP Bikramjit, destroyed the poppy plants cultivated over a stretch of 47 acres land at Gomi Hill slopes under Machi Police Station in Technopal District yesterday.
3, 2, 1,
Koiringai Company operating base COB under the aegis of 9 Sector Assam Rifles Manipur Battalion organized an anti-drug awareness drive at Awang Lake in Tabi yesterday. The awareness drive was held on the theme United We Stand to Fight Against Drugs for a Drug-Free Manipur. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) and Sumatibala reopened TN Memorial Academy at Hairok Patri, Champrathong, Makhong today. It may be recalled that fire gutted down the academy in the intervening night of February 11th and 12th. TN Memorial Academy will begin its session from February 21st. School founder T. Gyaneshwar Elias now credited the reopening of the school in such a short time after it was consumed by fire to the support extended by generous people, local clubs and organizations of the state.
3, 2, 1.
Rehearsal of Sumang Lila title Thamoigi Makhol, directed by Iboyai Makhuman and written by Ranjit Ningthauja, was held at 1L Movies residence at Ayangpali Road today. Speaking to media, director Iboyai said the play carries the message of unity and harmony. He said Shanghai Artists Association will showcase Thamoigi Makhol during the ongoing Sumang Lila Festival on February 22nd.
Nungsiba is mang Boyadraba money, Nungsiba and Punama for Porcadosi, Nungsinarkanda, intricity Porcatoni, intrication Porcatoni, sing me, Tami, Kandi, Amakandi, Bokolebak, Land, Toy, Dominusin, Bayauda, but the Gakoi, Land, Toy, me, Canary, me, Sainari, Lilas, sing Nungsibu, Pogula, Kana Pore, Masu Mayamna, Ming Tahaning, the Nakuna, the Key Festival, is the Yard and Compisi, and Takunito, the San Zagatori.
Magi, Lambida, Lebaking, Kibo, Negis of Torangi Boro, Sinmigi Boro, environment can Bagibo. Sum akoigi publicity gi mong khakta sum torokpa thamoi gi oiba orama bhau yoroktabadagi thajaba mangdharakpa se mase khara da orasu ekoina kitang construction to boyaba medicize to boyaba adumba thim ama oina ekoina khallaga thamoi sengba makol se mi singina taninga e haba paujel je pina na hotnaba lelani.
Thangtek Global Infra Private Limited's first venture, Daikin Solution Plaza, was opened in Imphal today. The event was held at a showroom-cum-office complex of Thangtek Global Infra Private Limited at Ghari Awang Laikai Airport Road. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Daikin Solution Plaza, Daikin Air Conditioning India Private Limited, Kuldeepak Birmani said Daikin is a Japan-based world-acclaimed conditioning company providing centralized air conditioning products and servicing facilities. He assured that Daikin Solution Plaza will be benefited for people of the state. Speaking to media, Managing Director of Thangtek Global Infra Private Limited, Thangjam Rakesh said Daikin Solution Plaza will make available varieties of centralized AC such as VRV Homes, VRV-X, VRV Chiller, cassette type, ductable floor, standing, split AV and ventilation system, air conditioning, as well as skillful engineers to provide necessary service. He added that a spear house of Daikin is located at Guwahati. Regional Director of Daikin Air Conditioning India Private Limited is Kunal Basu and Director cum Electrical Head of Airport Authority of India, Imphal Airport, Raju attended the event.
Daikin Solution Plaza hangise akoina not only sales kitang tawbo nate akoi design su tawgani ado hit lot calculation then ducting design mayam do pulap tawloraga akoina supply tawgani adui matung da su akoina service pigani any problems akoi sadom service tawnaba mi adum akoi gi team loim lei adoga design tawbagi team su pra lei koi gi hoji anoba product ta VRV homes centralized AC for homes su leire adogi mathakta commercial VRV X tawraga product am su launch tawgre adui mathakta koi gi shopping mall da tan achau chau ba 3500 puki lei service ki kaimta problem lei roi architect mayam officials mayam builders mayam da request tawjari Manipur dagi akoina loimak piba ngamani sigi system se Daikin city only for dedicatedly for ACs.
And on the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you a special report on US President Donald Trump's expected visit to India on February 24th. We'll be right back. You're watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump will hold extensive talks on 25th of this month to deepen cooperation in a range of key sectors, including defense and trade. Briefing media in New Delhi, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Singh said the US President will be accompanied by a high-level delegation on his two-day visit to India. Donald Trump is scheduled to visit India on the 24th of February. The Foreign Secretary said the visit will have three legs: Ahmedabad, Agra, and New Delhi. President Trump will address the Namaste Trump event jointly with Prime Minister Modi at the newly built Motera Cricket Stadium in Ahmedabad. This will be President Trump's first visit to India. It is also going to be the first standalone visit by a US president to India. The highlight of the program in Ahmedabad will be the exhibition of India's rich and diverse culture and heritage to President Trump in a public manner that has few parallels in India or elsewhere. From the moment of their arrival at the airport in Ahmedabad, the delegates will be treated to a display of famed India hospitality and India's unity in diversity. The route of their travel to the Motera Stadium is expected to have thousands of people as well as artists showcasing the performing art from different states and union territories. President Trump and First Lady Melania Trump would then visit Agra, where they would spend about an hour at the Taj Mahal before heading for Delhi. Four five-star hotels in Mumbai have reportedly received bomb threats via email. Mumbai police claim that the email was sent by Lashkar-e-Taiba group. Security measures have beefed up and investigations are underway.
3, 2, 1.
Food Minister Ram Vilas Paswan has said the Central Consumer Protection Authority (CCPA) will be set up by the first week of April this year. The CCPA, to be set up under Consumer Protection Act 2019, will address issues related to consumer rights, unfair trade practices, misleading advertisements, and impose penalties for selling spurious and adulterated products. Briefing reporters in New Delhi after interaction with industry bodies on the roles and functions of CCPA, Food Minister Paswan said an investigative wing will be formed under the aegis of the authority and it will carry out inquiries in matters related to unfair trade practices and misleading advertisements. He also said the rules related to Consumer Protection Act will be finalized within 1.5 months. The minister asserted that protecting the interests of consumers is paramount for the government. During the meeting with industry bodies, Paswan also stressed on the need to regulate e-commerce and direct selling, as there is no regulatory body for these sectors right now.
3, 2, 1.
And now the sports news. Churchill Brothers FC beat Real Kashmir FC 2-1 in yesterday's Hero I-League match played at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. For the winners, Willis Plaza and Lakhopu Mawia scored 2 goals at 11th and 20th minute of the match, while for the losing team, Robin Singh scored 1 goal at the 82nd minute. Neroka FC will face Kerala Gokulam FC at Imphaal's Kuman Lampak main stadium tomorrow.
3, 2, 1, and kill.
Northeast United FC will face Hyderabad FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Jamshedpur JRD Tata Sports Complex, Goa FC beat Jamshedpur FC 5-0. For the winners, Ferran Koramina scored 1 goal at 11 minute, Hugo Boma scored 2 goals at 70 and 90 minute, while Jackie Chan Singh and Mortada Fall scored 1 goal each at 84th and 87th minute of the match.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go.
Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Council of Teachers Association Kota says government is insincere in implementing School Bhagat Hansi mission. And negligence by authorities concerned turns Kujai Rock River banks under Mori subdivision in Technopal district into a dumping ground.